Hello friends, our today's topic is ore body and waste body modeling. Actually this is basically it is a wireframe, creating a wireframe on basis of its present on drill hole. First we have to load our drill hole in design window. Here we can see a purple color lining in purple color. Basically it is a section lines, and we have already made our cross section by command of GVI and SVI view definition file. Now for show our sections, we have to click in design window and type GVI on keyboard, so the command will be active. When the command will be active, the command box will display in yellow box and the section number will display here. Here we can see section number 1 is displaying. This is section number 1. So here we can change the number to see the next section, next cross section. Then enter. Now we will set the clipping by going. Here we have to set the clipping, front clipping and backside clipping. Here it is the command for set clipping. Set our clipping as per our grid pattern. If we have grid pattern in 100 by 100, we have to set our clipping 50 by 50. Here we can see we have set our clipping 50 by 50. Here we can see we have only 3 bore holes on our section number 1, and as the legend is already applied, so its legend is shows in our bore holes, and we have already learned how the legends prepared and how it apply on bore hole. So please you can see my previous chapter. Now we have to creating the waste body modeling. We have to go create string object. It is in design command, and the second is create string object. We will take this, so we will get new string object in loaded data. Then we will take new string command. It is 8 fourth stand new string, and we can also apply the new string by type NS in design window on keyboard. By taking NS command, we will start digitizing our waste body like this. Here our waste body is in particular dipping, so we have to digitize our waste body as alignment of our waste body is dipping. Here we can see how we digitize our waste body according to its dipping. This process will apply on all the sections. After completing all the sections, we will save the new string object and give the name like waste body. Now the same process will be applied for creating ore body modeling like this. By covering all bore holes, we will digitize for creating our whole body, and this same process will be applied on all these sections. And then save our whole body and give a name. We can give a name or body. This is our waist body bands which we have digitized as per the dipping of waist body. Here we can see. Now we can take this all the bands in particular alignment as per the strike alignment of our deposit by press the shift command. We can do this. Here we can see we have took all the bands in particular alignment. Now we will join all the bands as per our strike alignment. We can do all this thing in visualizer view for better controlling, like this. Here the controlling is far better than design window. And now we have to start link the bands as per strike alignment. So the command will be the link string command, and the short command will be the ls. We have to type ls command on keyboard. Here we can see we have take the ls command and start the linking. This is how we link our bands in as per string alignment. Next band will be also we have linked with the second bands. Actually the continuous process make the zigzag band, so we have to delete this body by for deleting the wrong connection. We have to type ull. Ull is the command for deleting any wrong connection. Then again we will take link command, ls command, and link that band with the single string line. For closing it the single string line, we are closing this band on that single string line. This is also we have to close it single string line. This band also we have to close it single string line, like this. These all bands we have closed at single string line. At back side we will close this band to this single string line. This is how we are creating the hollow wireframe for waist body. Waist body's bands. Now these all bands will be joined with these bands, like this. These all process are going in alignment with the strike line. We have to remember the command is the ls command. Short command is ls by typing on keyboard ls. Link string. For link command we have to go to wireframe and linking. Then we will find the link string command. So the short form is ls. We have to type on keyboard ls. We have to remember that all the wireframes like OR body and waste body should be closed at the both end. If it is not closed, then we can't calculate our volume. So we have to find out that its end, both end is closed or not. Here we can see the end is still open. For closing the end, we will go to wireframe, linking and end link. End link. The command will be the end link. Here we can see the command is end link. Then click at the point which we want to close, like this. Like this. So the command is end link. It is in following this process. We will prepare all the waste body band, all the sections. We should aware that all the link will be in strike alignment. The same process will be followed for preparing OR body. Here we can see our all this OR body strings which we have prepared on all the sections. We will align like this as per the strike alignment. Then start linking by taking command link string. Short command will be the ls, like this. Here we will link this body string to this string, like this. Here we can see our OR body is preparing. Basically it is a wireframe, hollow wireframe of OR body. Here we can see we have used the tag string. This is a tag string. Why we used tag string? During the linking, when any point will be open like this point is still open. This linking is not properly completed. So here we will use tag string command. For tag string, we will go to wireframe. In wireframe, we will go to linking. Wireframe, linking. In linking, we will find tag string command. Now we will start to stitch with the tag string. For stitching, we have joined all contact point, corner point, like this. At the both end, this corner point will join with its second corner point, and its corner point will join like this. and this corner will again like join like this. So it is a process of stitching with tag string. Continue stitching with tag string will create zigzag stitching. So separate stitching will require at both the end. Again we will take tag string command and again we will stitching like this. This point will be stitching with this corner, and for stitching the second end we will separately took the tag string command. This corner will join with this corner, then this corner will join with this corner. Now we will join with this both the strings with ls command. Now we can see that point which was open previously, which was open, now it is closed. So we can use tag string for proper linking. So like this, following the process of linking the strings of OR body and waist body, we can prepare OR body model, OR body wireframe and waist body wireframe. Now we will fill this wireframe with the cells of particular dimensions for creating OR model and waist model. This process is available in chapter 7. So for learning the how we prepared OR model and waist model, we have to go for chapter 7. So if you like this video, please share with your friend. I have already upload the chapters 1 to 7 for process of preparing the block model. So you can learn the process of preparing block model to go on my all chapters.